Welcome to the Gabby and Savannah show.
We're going on YouTube.
No, it's recording. And today we are going to look at Shopkins.
I don't like you.
Sorry, taking a drink.
Yeah. Oh, that's gonna be in the video.
Did you notice that the people who made the videos laid the video player down?
Okay, to that. I'll
Is that in
look at.
front of it? So the,
Okay,
the
we are
video player
absolutely
wouldn't
ready
move
for
it?
business. Oh, wait. Okay, now we're ready for business.
Okay.
Okay.
Get your character.
Oh, I let you in. Thank you. Welcome to the shopping store. Here's a cart.
Thank you.
You get 2 exclusive shopping sticks to walk around just for the day.
Thank you.
So look at it. And if you buy them, you get 20% off of your Shopkins.